Steady on the descent. Pull to the left, left. Roger that, coming down smooth. Contact, set her down. All right, welding and beams next. Hold it steady there. Almost there, now for the bolts. Got it, looks solid. All right, let's get these tables and chairs set up. Right, I'll grab this one. Now for the umbrellas on the terrace. All right, let's get this one aligned. Got it, on 3. Good, next one. Let's clear the deck and finish the plants. On it, the glass is next. Perfect, looks great.